Hey everyone, I'm Heather. I'm a yoga teacher, I'm a mom, I'm the Bent Yogi. This is 5 minutes of mom time, mom's minutes of yoga. It's okay if you have your kids, you have your dogs. It's okay if you have a mat or if you don't have a mat. Really, just a couple minutes. I know how challenging it can be to even get 15 or 30 minutes of a practice in during a day. So 5 minutes, let's do it. Come into your child's pose. Knees wide, big toes can come closer together behind you. Your kids can practice with you. Your dogs can practice with you. Take your hands out in front of you. Let your forehead rest on your mat. Let's take a couple of deep breaths here. Take a big breath in. And a long breath out. Take a big inhale. And a big exhale. And you don't have to try to tune everything and everyone else out. You can try to tune into your breath a little more. But especially if you're practicing at home with kids and dogs and who knows whatever else, you can let all of that be part of your practice. Part of connecting to your strength, but also softening into where you are. Take another really big breath in through your nose. And then open your mouth and empty out. Now from here, come on up to your tabletop, your hands and knees. Set your hands under your shoulders, knees under hips. A couple of cat-cows on your inhale. Lift your gaze and your chest and your tailbone, your belly drops. And as you exhale, round your spine. Pull your belly button up towards your spine. And an inhale, let your chest come forward. Let your gaze, your heart lift. And as you exhale, round your spine. So just a couple of these. And as you feel the fluidity, the movement of your breath and your spine, still feel that you're really grounded right here, right now, really supported. And as we practice together, we're supporting each other. Now come to a neutral spine, tuck your toes under, and come on into your downward facing dog. And you can come back down to child's pose if that feels better for you. But downward dog, just a nice stretch out here, lengthen out. Let your head hang down. Head can hang between your arms. Maybe shake your head a little, yes and no. Wiggle your toes, take a big breath in. And again, open your mouth and empty out. Now as you inhale, come on forward to your high push-up, high plank. And you can have your knees lifted or you can bring your knees down. Either way, grounded, supported, connecting to your strength and your power. Take a big breath in. Exhale, press back to your downward facing dog. Inhale, come on forward, high push-up, movement with breath. Exhale, press back, downward facing dog. One more time, inhale, come on forward to your high push-up. Now pause here, connect to the ground, connect into your strength and your power. Take a big inhale. As you exhale, forward and halfway down, low push-up. You can drop your knees, you can come all the way down. From here, an upward facing dog. Maybe a cobra or a low cobra. Just a little heart opener. Softening your shoulders, softening your face. Take a big breath in. Exhale, back to your downward facing dog. Take a big inhale through your nose. Open your mouth, empty out. And then come down onto your knees for your tabletop. And back to your child's pose. Take a big breath in. And a long breath out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Once more, breathe in. And breathe out. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for joining me for our Mom's Minutes. I'm Heather. I'm the Bent Yogi. I'm a mom. I'm a yoga teacher. Like all moms, I'm so much more than that. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing you more of this. And hit the bell so you get notified when new videos come out. Take care of yourself so you can take care of others. And I'll see you soon.